Exhaustion is not hustle, it is a hidden enemy. Sleep death is silently stealing your purpose. Namaste, Guardians. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to do list coach. Welcome to Vedic Productivity Talks, where ancient wisdom meets modern action. Today's we'll talk about a hidden thief that is sleep death and how it silently robs your focus, mood, and motivation. What are the pain points? Point number one, sleep deprivation lowers your productivity by up to 40%. Point number two, emotional reactivity increases. Point number three, decision fatigue sets in. Point number four, you're awake but you're not aware. According to the Vedas, Nidra is not laziness, it is a sacred reset cycle governed by the Tamas Guna, meant for regeneration, not indulgence. So, what does Rig Veda Insight say to us is Yogena Yuktasya Chittasya Shuddhaye. A pure, rested mind is a foundation of spiritual and material growth. So, what are the solutions that we need to take? Point number one, create an Nidra Vidhi, that is sleep ritual, digital sunset after 8 pm. I wish you all to at least practice from 30 minutes before to avoid digital distraction for you. And pranayama or nadi shodhara for calming your nervous system. Journaling plus sankalpa review. And 6 to 7 hours of quality sleep aligned with lunar rhythms. So, point number two, protect your Brahma Muhurta. Wake up before sunrise, that is before 90 minutes, or between 4 to 6 a.m. Use the time for reflections, learning, and clarity. If you're ready to stop sacrificing your energy and reclaim your rest of the Vedic way, join the Karya Siddhi Productivity Hub, where we realign your life one sacred time and one step at a time. Remember, rest is not a reward, it's a right. This is Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to do list coach, signing off from Vedic Productivity Talks. Until next time, stay grounded, stay rested, and be productive the Vedic way. I wish you all to have a great day ahead, and bye. Jai Hind.